Alright, here we go. Hello, 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 hello. I'm not even gonna check. I'm just going to assume that everything is working. And I'm gonna be on here for a little bit. Alright, today, right now, this moment, we are going to be playing Take Care of the Dog. We're gonna be taking care of this dog. 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 Let me get this game started up. Yeah, here we go. This looks like a chill game. Apparently Queso played this, so. Bro, there we go. This should pop up. No. Is this not working? It is not working. Okay, hold on. Wait, why is it not popping up? Okay, hold on. Twitch. Why is it not popping up? The game is not popping up right now, guys. What? Why is it not popping up? So weird. There we go. I'm an idiot. There we go. Alright, this is on. Let's get started. Let me check this music. There. Alright. I do not know how to play this game. I don't know what happens. I just thought it was good, apparently. Alright, let's go. What's it? Can I sprint? I can't look down or up. Side to side. Okay. Here's our dog. It's a chill dog, bro. Follow the dog. Alright. Yo, bruh. Dude. This looks like just a chill game, bro. This looks so chill. I don't know, like, the plot, though. Like, what would be the plot? Just taking care of the dog. Wait, what'd it say? Get food? Did it say get food? Why is there a clock? Am I getting timed for this? Why can't I sprint? Or is that an arrow? It's a stop sign. Is there a stop sign in my basement? This is pretty... Oh, here we go. Now I gotta find my way back. Is there a crack here? I think I do have a sprint button. Is that working? Boxes. Right here. Here we go. Dude. Oh, nice. Dog go out here. I don't know where it went. Right here. Alright, yo. Yeah? So I fetch with the dog. How do I throw? Like that? Go get it, bro. Yeah. Ooh, dang. You fast, bro. Boy's fast. How's it already like afternoon, bro? Go get it. Go get it. Dude, you fast, boy. You fast, boy. Here, go over there. Go get it. This is fun. Oosh! Go get it. I need to throw it far, like all the way down there. How long are we gonna have to do this? Go. Fastest freak, boy! Get the water in the basement. Dude, I should go all the way back down there. Can the dog just come with me, bro? I'd just bring the dog with me. It's nighttime already. Dude, where'd the dog go? He just ran over there. Can I turn a light on? Is there like no lights in this house? Like what? Go get water. Did we see water? Was that over here? Because here's boxes. There's no way over there. Okay, so this is the front. I wish I could look up and down so much. These are cracks on the wall, bruh. There done ain't no water in this house, bruh. It's kind of creepy, bruh. Here's water. Dude, I would have just for sure like brought my dog down here. Look where my dog at, bruh. Oh, there's keys. I need those. Why are those like in the basement though? Why don't I have like those up in like a counter up there? Because dude, I like the whole like kitchen is like covered in like counters, bro. Look at this. It's just counters all around. I'm assuming I have to go get the dog the water. Hello? Is this a cutscene? Wait, what happened? I gotta mess something up.
Maybe it is time to go to sleep.
He is not hungry anymore.
What is that?
He is not hungry anymore.
What am I supposed to do?
He is not hungry anymore.
I can't run! Why is the dog looking like that, bruh?
Maybe it is time to go to sleep.
Maybe it is time to go to sleep.
What am I supposed to do? What's wrong with my dog, bruh?
Maybe it is.
What's he whispering in my ears, dog? Do I need to find something? Or do I need to go back in here? Oh wait, my cursor's all messed up. Wait, hold on. Oh wait, I'm trying to fix my cursor. What is going on with this? Okay, I fixed it. What's in this room? Oh, dude, my bed. You said I need to go to sleep, right? Is that what the dog said? Dude, what was going on with my dog? Why do it look like that? It's so wrinkly and they look fat. I forgot to close the doors. Could I close the doors? I don't think I could, right? Wait, what? Wait, what just happened? Wait, is there like different endings? Is that an ending? Wait, I don't understand what just happened. Yo, what? Is this still, is it like an ongoing story? Am I supposed to like keep going or like? Forgot to close the doors. What do we... Can I get the water right now too? For later? Or is it not there? I have no idea what just happened, bro. Isn't the food right there now? Is it changed every time? Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, I'm gonna go look to get the water. Shouldn't the water be right there? Or something like that? Is it back over here? Hey, where did I get the water at? Maybe it's just not spawned in right now. Maybe it's like a part of the story. I have to come down here and get it. Wait, what happened though? Like, I don't understand. Are these still boxes over here? Yeah. Okay. This is giving me like Baldi's Basics vibes, you know? Yeah, what's up, dog? Yo, this music is low-key a vibe though. Like, oh wait, am I supposed to close this door? No. Oh, I didn't mean to throw it yet. I'm sorry, dog. Am I supposed to like do something right now? What if I just like throw it at him? No. Go get it. What if I... Here, give it. If I come over here and throw it? What if we go all the way over here? Go get it. Go get it, boy. What? Why is bro so fast? Come back, don't worry. Should have see that. Why are you taking it back over here? I thought you were supposed to be playing fetch. Wait. Go get it. What if I throw it down this side? Wait. Go get it, dog. Go through the house? I don't think you're supposed to be able to do that. I get the water in the basement. Okay, so I think I know where it's at. Maybe if I like go fast. Yeah, dude, the music like stops. Like what? So it's like this way. It's like left. They should have made a sprint button. Isn't it like this way? Is it this way? Or is it the other way? I don't remember. Not that way. Is it over here? No, those are boxes. I remember those. Oh, I swear it's right here, right? Yeah. Okay. Got the water. Oh yeah, no, the keys aren't the keys like right here. Oh, that's to lock the doors, right? I'm assuming I'm gonna need those to lock the doors because didn't it say like you forgot to lock the doors or something? Okay, so I have to click. I should probably remember that. You have to click on the doors to get in.
Maybe it is time to go to sleep.
The keys, the keys, the keys. Did I lock it? What about this door? Should I lock this door? Okay. Oh no, I wanted to lock that door. Okay, whatever. Okay, I locked him, right? Bro, I didn't do the freaking... What? Did he throw? The knife downstairs may work. What happened to my dog, bruh? Why is there so much stuff downstairs? Why can't I just like put stuff up here, bruh? What's up, dog? Is that my dog? Or what? Wait, the knife? Oh, it's like, wait. What? Okay, somebody help me. Dude, my cursor over here is like all messed up. It like keeps going over into the chat thing. And I don't like it. It's making me mad because it keeps popping up over there. Where's it at? It went away now. If I... It's so weird. Dog, there ain't nothing down here, bruh. Oh, here.
Hello. How are you?
Why you keep doing that, bruh?
How are you?
Upstairs.
Like, what the beans? Like, what's even the point, bruh?
Alright.
We should go up here. What am I supposed to do now? Do I go outside?
Hello.
Because the dog was outside, right?
Hi.
Why is my render distance so low, bruh? Yeah! What was I supposed to do? Did I do it right? Dude, why is it so wrinkly? My dog's so fat, bro. I thought you were downstairs. What is going on with my dog, man? Where did that light come from? Is my dog okay? Where's he going? Dude, look at his fingers. Oh, man. That ain't my dog. Where'd my dog just go, bruh? I can't move. Why is there a firework on my floor? Take care of the dog, the end. A new take care of is coming soon. Oh, so they're gonna make more of these? It just kicked me out of the game. The game is just gone. Okay. Oh, dude, what happened to my dog, bruh? Done just freaking disappeared. What even happened? That was pretty fun. Alright, I want to keep streaming. I thought that was gonna be longer. I want to keep streaming though. I need to find a different game to play. I was gonna play that for a while, but I didn't realize it was so short. Like, is that all the endings where you like? What if you let the dog get you? Yeah, I'm gonna go face you. Here we go. Like what? Okay. I need to find a different game to play because I want to keep streaming. And I'm not playing Photo Alley. I've tried to film that game like 4 times and it does not want to work. Um, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop stream and I'm going to make another one so the recording stays separate between games. So I'll start streaming again in a second. Goodbye, everybody.